As the leader of marketing, I hate that more people don't know iCar and what we do. And, that's something that we're really trying to change because, as we often say, you have to have a license to cut hair, but not to repair a vehicle. And, simply put, we work with the industry to set the standard, educate to the standard, and then recognize our technicians and shops for achieving that standard, which is something that as a consumer, you should want your auto body repair shop to have. You should want to know that they're educated and that they're following a standard and repairing your vehicle.